Hey there, so the time has come. We are done with the Hardside conversion. It's time for it to go to a new home. My name's Skip. Welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovation. So if you followed our build process, you'll see that this was a Palomino Pinto pop-up camper this time last year. And in June or July, we started to convert it. Now I'll show you here on the outside. Here's the piping where the 55 amp service goes in. There's about 25 feet of cable. That way it can hook right up to shore power. On the front here, we've taken this door and pulled out the solid panels and put in acrylic. That way we could see out of it and let some natural light in since we don't have any windows. Got a porch light there. The awning is not on it, but I believe I still have it. So the new owner can take the awning and reinstall if they'd like. On the back here, pulled off the spare tire carrier. The holes are still there. So if you want to reinstall, still have the spare tire carrier and the spare. On the back side here, all the service ports were covered. I did leave the water inlet here. And if you can see the condensate here from the air conditioner, it's chugging away. It's in the 80s here today in Savannah. It'll come with these little jacks here. Now these are the built-in jacks that fold up when you're transporting. Got a weatherproof port here. The key lock actually does still work. Now this step here can be stowed while you're traveling. Pull back out in case you need to step up. Now we're going to walk inside. And I know it's loud because the air blasting. I'll go ahead and turn it off. So this is the inside. Light switch now works for the 6 overhead lights. And we have in here, here's the electrical panel. It's 50 amps in. Actually got several 20 amp breakers. That way everything has plenty of power. Now if you see the receptacles, the way they are set up on the wall, this was destined to become a hair salon at one time. So this was where the back bar would have been. So there would have been a plug for a wax pot. This would have been a plug for hair dryer, which is on its own run. That way it wouldn't trip. Got this outlet here with USB ports so clients could charge their phones. This outlet here was to power a backlit mirror, and then if there were any light strips above it, and then another over here, then another. So that was going to be its life as a hair salon. Now, could this make an excellent hair and makeup mobile salon for someone? Of course. It's lightweight. I think it's about 1,600 pounds. There's this nice deck here that I have sat on it, and it will not move. And if you care to run water in it, Right over here, this back one is where that water outlet would come in. And then right down here is a provision for a water heater on its own run. Now say you wanted to use this as your hunting cabin. Well, this table would make a great place to cook with your cooktops, coffee maker. You'd have to bring your own water. On the floor here, it's 6 feet wide, maybe 6.5 feet wide, by 9.5 feet long. So you could sleep on the floor and have all of your stuff up on the counter. Maybe it could be for a barber. Someone getting out on their own, wants to pull 2 events, cut some hair, bring your own generator, you got power. So this was Amy and I's labor of love for several months, and it served us well as an office here at the house, but we no longer need it. Are you interested in buying it? It's going to be put on Marketplace for sale, and anyone seeing this can email, and I'll put the email address right over here on the video at hammerwrenchreno@gmail.com. It's located in Savannah, Georgia, and would hook up probably to as small as any car, since its weight is about 1,600 pounds. Now it is tall because it's hard-sided. If you want to see that construction, look in the Hardside Conversion playlist on the channel, and you can see how it was built and what all went into it. And maybe this thing could become a new home, a new business, a new office for someone. We appreciate you watching and hope to hear from someone in the future on making this Hardside conversion their own. Thank you for watching. This is Skip with Hammer Wrench Renovations. Bye-bye.